Hello, I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to share a sneak peek straight from inside our Google Groupies membership vault. This is your chance to get a taste of the time saving, smart strategies, and everyday skills that can help you feel more confident navigating your digital space. Google Groupies has educational content for a wide variety of Google apps, and today we're going to focus on this one. Let's dive into today's preview. If you get an attachment from somebody in your email, I want you to know that you can send that directly to your Google Drive. You don't have to download it and then attach it and upload it and all the things. So notice I saw that there was in my inbox a paperclip. So that means that there's something attached. So then I can go down here, and if I hover, I can either download it or I can send it straight to my Google Drive, which is what I'm going to do. And notice it's a Word doc, so it's gone to my Google Drive. And now I can either go right here and organize it and put it somewhere important, or I can just open my Google Drive and go to Recents, and here it is, right here. It's a Word doc. And if I open that, it will give me two options. It's a Word file, but it's going to read it. And notice it says docx, but also I could save as a Google Doc. So very easily I can get from Word to Google, and it will just make a copy as a Google Doc. So that's two things. It's getting something from your Gmail to your Google Drive, and it's opening a Word file as a Google Doc. That is just a small taste of what's waiting for you inside Google Groupies, the ultimate membership for anyone who wants to transform chaos into clarity. If you're tired of feeling stuck or confused with Google Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, or tasks, and you're ready to feel more in control of your digital world, I've got you. Click the link in the description to join the Google Groupies membership and get instant access to a library of self-paced video lessons, bi-weekly live support calls for your real-time questions, and a welcoming, supportive community of people just like you who want to learn, explore, and feel confident using Google tools. So go ahead, hit that link and join us inside. I'll see you there.